Hey guys, this is Gentle for the Impossible channel. We're going to be talking about Hurricane Haima and Hurricane Songda, which are both very strong hurricanes. We got a big problem down there in Taiwan with this Hurricane Haima. It's a Category 5. It's the 7th Category 5 this year, and it's winds gusts at 195 miles per hour. You're watching right now Hurricane Songda, which is in the Northwest Pacific Ocean right now next to the USA. And people are preparing for its arrival right now, and I believe it's got wind gusts up to 140 miles per hour. It's a Category 4 if I'm not mistaken. This is Hurricane Songda from the NOAA satellite view, imagery view, okay, as you can see down there. And now we're gonna jump into a live stream for Hurricane Haima, which is it's a double hurricane, right? And Haima is the super typhoon they're talking about, Category 5. Its winds gust at 195 miles per hour. This is gonna hit whatever it is. It's gonna hit strong, right? And it's gonna gather. People are gonna, they think it's gonna get together with this other hurricane, which is already on the coasts, already on the coastline. And on the right you can see Haima, and on the left there's this other hurricane, Category 4 hurricane, right? So it's bad. Well, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment below what you think about this. If you got any footage or pictures of what's going on, please do send it to us, okay? Hey guys, this is Gentle for the Impossible channel. We're going to be talking about Hurricane Haima and Hurricane Songda, which are both very strong hurricanes. We got a big problem down there in